The mood inside the Lagos State Police Command here in Ikeja, the Lagos State capital, where we presently are, is that of excitement. The Police Commissioner, CP Edgar Imoimi, alongside some of his officers, are excited here today because some suspected criminals voluntarily returned some firearms here alongside some cartridges. Also, they caught some suspects, or some suspects were arrested for allegedly adulterating alcohol drinks. My name is Damla Arokanla. You're watching Nigerian TV. Today, we want to bring to you some of these things that some of the suspects that the Lagos State Police discovered during some of their parades, some of their patrols recently. We also learned that some suspected cult members were arrested in the course of this patrol. Big shout out to Emmanuel Sodi, the man behind the camera, for bringing you all of this. So come along with us as we find out some other details from these people.
First of all, we have in display, on display here, assorted types of firearms recovered from bandits and also those voluntarily returned to the police armory by their owners who took advantage of the 21-day grace period by the Inspector General of Police, Ibrahim Idris, MPM MNI, who allowed persons in possession of illegal and prohibited firearms to hand over same to the police. This is the breakdown of illegal and prohibited firearms recovered in the command in the recent past. We have 38 pump action rifles, all serviceable in working order. 6 AK-47 rifles, all serviceable. 12 double barrel rifles. 11 single barrel rifles, all serviceable. 70 single barrel locally made cut-to-size shotguns, 42 locally made double-barrel shotguns, all serviceable, 18 locally made revolver pistols, 3 imported Beretta pistols, all serviceable. Total number of firearms recovered is 188. Total number of cartridges, unexpended cartridges, 220. Total number of 7.62 mm AK-47 ammunition, 60. That is the breakdown of illegal and prohibited firearms recovered by Lagos State Police Command. I'm using this opportunity to call on the citizens of Lagos to take advantage of this grace period by the Inspector General of Police, Ibrahim Idris, MPM MNI, and return voluntarily prohibited firearms in their possession. Let me also use this opportunity to warn that failure to do so, the police will be moving into the second phase of the mop-up of prohibited firearms. And the second phase will include lawful search of all buildings, residences, homes, structures, vessels, anywhere whatsoever that we have credible information that this category of firearms can be recovered. We'll go in, we'll search, we'll recover, and of course, arrests would follow, definitely with prosecution. But I am hoping it will not come to that. Please take advantage of the grace period to voluntarily relinquish prohibited firearms. Thank you.